Did you know the cruise industry serves over 30 million passengers every year? That's like the entire population of Australia setting sail annually. Imagine all those Aussies on deck, flipping shrimp on the Barbie and looking for kangaroo-shaped pool floaties. And here's another fun fact. Cruises have grown by nearly 20% in popularity over the past decade. Why? Because cruises aren't just vacations. They're unforgettable adventures. You can lounge by the pool one day, explore a centuries-old city the next, and end your evening dining on a 5-star meal prepared by world-class chefs. Cruising truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're soaking up the sun on a Caribbean beach, marveling at Alaskan glaciers, or enjoying Michelin-level dining at sea. And today, we will make sure you're ready to plan your dream getaway. Let's dive in. Welcome aboard! Today, we're answering some of the most common and sometimes quirky questions about cruising. If you've been itching to try one of these floating resorts or want to brush up on your cruise knowledge, you're in the right place. Planning a cruise can feel like a daunting task. There are so many options, and let's be honest, when someone says ocean view stateroom, it might sound a little fancier than it is. But don't worry, I'm here to make everything crystal clear and fun. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the perfect cruise, pack smart, and make every moment on board and ashore a delight. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned sailor, I've got tips for you. So grab your travel notebook and let's set sail. Planning a cruise can feel like navigating uncharted waters. With so many cruise lines, itineraries, and destinations, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Should you go to the Bahamas or the Mediterranean? And wait, what exactly is the difference between a balcony stateroom and a suite? Then there's the question of what to pack. Should you bring formal attire for dinner, or is that just for the movies? And let's not forget the worries about seasickness, hidden costs, and whether you'll be stuck on a crowded ship like a sardine in a can. Here's the good news. Cruising is much simpler and more fun than you might think. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder why you waited this long to climb aboard. So let's untangle the ropes of cruise planning, one knot at a time. Let's tackle some of the most frequently asked questions about cruising. Which cruise line is right for me? It depends on what kind of experience you're looking for. If you're traveling with grandkids, Disney Cruise Line or Royal Caribbean offer family-friendly activities like water slides and character meet and greets. Looking for something more luxurious? Try Celebrity, Viking, or Oceania cruises. These are like the Ritz-Carlton of the seas. Think spa days, fine dining, and top-tier service. What's the best itinerary for a first-time cruiser? The Caribbean is perfect for first-timers. Picture turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and the occasional pina colada in hand. But if you're craving adventure, Alaska offers stunning glaciers and wildlife, while the Mediterranean is a history lover's dream. What's included in the price? Most cruises include your cabin, meals in the main dining room, and onboard entertainment. But watch out for extras. Specialty dining, excursions, and drink packages can add up. My pro tip? Look for bundled packages that include perks like free Wi-Fi or unlimited beverages. Let's talk about some cruise tips that are especially useful for seasoned travelers because, let's face it, comfort and convenience are essential when you're planning a memorable vacation. Pick a stateroom that suits your needs. If mobility is a concern, consider booking a cabin near the elevators to minimize walking. Many cruise lines also offer accessible staterooms with wider doors and roll-in showers. And if you love natural light but don't want to splurge on a balcony, an ocean view cabin can be a great middle ground option. Use priority boarding services. Many cruise lines offer priority boarding for seniors or those with mobility issues. This allows you to skip the long lines and board the ship more leisurely. Consider travel insurance. While no one wants to think about unexpected hiccups, travel insurance can provide peace of mind. Many policies cover medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or interruptions, significant when traveling internationally. Plan for dietary needs. If you have special dietary restrictions, most cruise lines will accommodate you. Notify them beforehand, and they'll prepare meals tailored to your needs. Whether you're gluten-free, diabetic, or vegetarian, you can still enjoy delicious cuisine without worry. Choose excursions wisely. Not all shore excursions are created equal, especially when considering physical exertion. Many cruises offer tours categorized by activity level, so you can choose ones that suit your comfort and energy levels. For example, a leisurely wine tasting or guided city tour may be more appealing than a strenuous hike. Stay active on board. Cruises are known for their buffets, but they also offer fantastic fitness and wellness programs. Many ships have walking tracks, yoga classes, and even low-impact aerobics. Staying active can help you feel your best while enjoying all the culinary delights. Pack smart. Comfortable shoes are a must for both onboard activities and exploring ports. Consider a light jacket or cardigan for breezy evenings on deck. Compression socks can be a lifesaver for long flights or days with extended walking. Stay connected. While disconnecting completely is tempting, you may want to keep in touch with family and friends back home. Look for Wi-Fi packages or free Wi-Fi zones in ports. Some cruise lines even offer tech tutorials for using smartphones or tablets on board. Attend senior-friendly events. Many cruise lines host events for older travelers like bridge games, wine tastings, or enrichment lectures. These activities are an excellent way to meet like-minded travelers and try something new. Take advantage of relaxation zones. Cruise ships can be lively but have serene areas like libraries, adult-only pools, or quiet lounges. These are perfect for unwinding with a good book or enjoying the ocean views. Now, let's talk about first-timer tips, because no one wants to be lugging 4 suitcases up the gangway or missing the ship because their flight got delayed. Arrive a day early. If your cruise departs at 4 p.m., don't arrive at the port at 3:45. Arrive in the city a day early. Not only does this eliminate stress, but it also allows you to explore the local area before setting sail. Don't overpack. Trust me, you don't need 12 pairs of shoes for a 7-day cruise. Stick to comfy clothes, a swimsuit, and 1 or 2 dressier outfits for evening dinners. Most cruise ships are far more casual than you'd think. Shore excursions are the icing on the cake of any cruise. Whether snorkeling in the Bahamas, ziplining in Costa Rica, or walking through ancient ruins in Greece, these experiences make your trip unforgettable. You can book excursions directly through the cruise line, but here's a little secret: local companies often offer smaller, more personalized tours at a fraction of the cost. Here's what you've been waiting for: my top 3 insider tips to take your cruise from good to phenomenal. Book strategically. Booking early often gets you perks like onboard credit or drink packages. But if you're flexible, last-minute deals can save you big bucks. Pro tip: use a travel agent. They can find deals you might miss online. Discover hidden gems on board. Ships are full of surprises, like secret adults-only pools or tucked-away coffee bars. Spend your first day exploring to uncover these hidden gems. Maximize port days. Research your ports before the trip. Some places are easy to explore on foot, while others might require a tour. And remember, sometimes the best adventures happen when you wander off the beaten path. Finally, what did we learn today? Cruising is an incredible way to travel the world, whether looking for relaxation, adventure, or a little of both. With the proper planning, you'll be ready to set sail confidently and enjoy every moment. Now it's your turn. Have questions about cruising? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. And if you've cruised before, share your favorite tips or destinations with our community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow travelers. For even more tips and resources, visit luxuryfirsttravel.com, your one-stop shop for all things travel. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next great adventure. Cheers!